All right, we're still at Giggle Ridge at Cultus Lake Adventure Park. We got roller coasters rolling over us. We're mini golfing at hole number 11. Are we tied, Mom?
Yep, we're tied.
We're tied, ladies and gentlemen. We're tied. Let's check out hole number 11. Coming down hole number 11. It looks like a straightaway, but it's kind of slightly downhill. Go ahead, Mom. Oh. That was an amazing shot.
Go ahead, Bo. Go ahead.
Oh, okay. This could be very interesting.
Come on, put it in.
I have to. You're so close. Oh no!
Not enough Wheaties.
Not enough Wheaties. Here's number 3. Oh, here she goes. For the win. For the win! Oh, ladies and gentlemen. Hole number 11, and she's now ahead of me by 1 hole. Oh, you gotta stay tuned for the next one. See you then. Thought I saw a bird go by.